until we build up resistance. A reaction to your waiting to watch the world burn. Hiding the truth with all your lies, retribution against the system. Whoa. Taking a stand, this wasn't enough. We the people expect a type of change that works for us. Living in a fantasy, taking everything away from me. Losing faith was a reaction to your miscalculation. Waiting to watch the world burn. Waiting to watch the world burn. Until we build up resistance. A reaction to your miscalculation.